I make a libam do anayingya bata dialogue lay. Can I make a libam do anayingya bata dialogue lay? Salang ba ide nang hang ai zo lung ti nang ho ai gi ma khơi nang pore. Hello friend, this is new Monday. कौन है ये? कहाँ से मेरा पार्टनर आ गया भाई? So this is a beautiful place. See. Do you want to know how I? See. Look at me. How I vlog. See, I always sacrifice for my viewers. Oh! I usually do this. Okay, this is Church of New Monday. Hello. Yeah, this is Zemiram, Puluyibaram. Hi, na Sasong Ram, Manipuram. I have been there Ram.
Hi, mother. Click class ida.
Start free.
Oh yeah, click class ida. Sab rồi đâu rồi?
Okay, I did. You will go lang with me. This is the life of village. देखिए. चलो दिखा दीजिए. पकड़ दो. Sabas. Thank you. We are back from Tamenglong and then we took more than 2 days. So right now we are between Assam and Manipur. It is this is the place called Zeru River. So we are going to take bath from here. We are going to swim. It is a big river between Assam and Manipur. And then here is our vehicle. Press stop. Finally, we are in Assam. Atipai di Maso, Assam. Here is our school. Hi. Ganda mo. Hi. Finally, Namrengra. Scary place. Okay. Though it is nearest to my village, I never entered this before. It is. What is that? Dangerous Kurung. Dangerous cliff place. Kau aja
Scary place.
Yes, it is a scary place. Kau dah aja missing lang, mami aja nai napiale. Yeah, ramtai na zaman so interesting mesile. So today is the first time that I introduce this place. It is a most scary place. I get called it's a very scary place. It will reach up to Zinam River.
Zinam River.
Yes, Zinam River. आपसे खतरनाक जगह है भाई. गुरुंग. अगर आप गिर गए तो जिंदा की तो बात नहीं पाएगा भाई. We are in Hewang Baram. So after 2 days we have reached this village. We are in Assam right now. A rest house of Hewang Baram. This is a beautiful and Sundarwala hey. So we are going to rest here and then we are waiting for the vehicle. I don't know whether we are going to find the vehicle or not. This is Mahor. Finally we are in Mahor. Near Saikiko opposite here. I over bridge. Cross to go up at the design I get. We have Zemana, Salon Katsibela, the voice of the Babanga. Salon Katsibel, unisex go. You pay me don't, and we pay style Katsam material Ranga Pamla Kabela, only lay Jaga. Azamana, Kala, Levitil, the ones and only go here style, go stand the Pung, I go style, so I will put the way I go style, go Tell the village doesn't really Rosa. I didn't go what about Malena, give them that. I bought one and we put them at the designer. Do but dealers to the theatre, the Bamizima Gapo, the Bamika Sangules doesn't really Rosa. Either our bridge is like top by process. I will opposite here. We upstairs again, rain set to set now. We get we send one go let's see hang to then we pay some chap the village. So then we do welcome Nale. Customer Lem do hang do unisex cole hang now. One then we pay style sometimes the village 7 we surangale. I go subscriber that to support us. I will thank you.
Zilama Pana is a mani Tilo Misuiza. Is a banda canapagoi, number Sima gets to do Potoma, Canapanate, Misuiza Banda. I'm not a Bamke. Limited the Banda.
Yes, it's a way. The tree of lettuce is not up to my height also, but it's bear the fruit. Just look, I watch them, and it is in New Monday. There is a beautiful place. I can look it around. Sungguh dah siap. Mobil kan kau masuk. Ang dito ah. Ang dito? Alice. Ang dito? Zen to. Sam nong tise
Tao lùng à.
nong tise tise to orang itu kilo ni tamu tise aku video pi bom noi support te bom noi aku subscriber aku fan saya dah iong ngap cái apa ni isi makan apa tu sirai ko tele so form si sang de so dong lu ja
em suy đó
nang timui na aku video pi game ting na video aku video pi kan kilo
cái chim quý này mang tận luôn này thì đó
ok cái câu đó bung hoàng chỉ lang phải cái xem lên suy lên hàng tu mấy căng tu lang ai đó vậy nè có gì kỹ về lang ai đó nè mũi hàng tu cái mấy kỹ lang ở đây là hey suy sang ok ai cũng là căng tu beautiful haflong very beautiful haflong taza food खाना पीना सब आई के कभी विजिट कर लो here in Haflong you will find a very fantastic restaurant here in Poro Haflong so do visit ai ze papa mi ka sang babam le ze me nai da padu kan na kai le sa zai mana ze me tu ze bam le na babam ze visit lo ai ze pui lo ni Haflong road ta ya main road ta ya station ta pui ta ka la le ze papa mi ka sang tei mi tu kilo sang mi tu kilo si da le road ze visit lo ni ze me ze ten to swai da den lap ka rang tu so this is the location also staying in Haflong जो Haflong में रहने वाला आप लोग यहाँ पे विजिट करके खाना पीना अच्छा अच्छा मिल सकता है तो do visit this place.